Hi again. Today I'm here with the unboxing of the women's Eclair sneaker by Hermes. Let's get to it. So this sneaker is in blanc or white. It's in knit, so it has like a sock-like feel, which is very much in style these days. As you can see, it is white. There's a black stripe running through the middle, little toe grab and heel grab in black as well. Orange around the ankle, foot opening, and a little H orange as well. The sole, as you can see from the side, is a little bit wavy, almost like an ocean or even a little bit like a shark-like motif. Going to the sole, you see that it's actually very grippy. It's actually really cool. We have staggered waves here with the whites on the ends being lined up all the way through, and then offset in the middle with the black. Definitely a very comfortable walking shoe, all-day walking shoe, fits true to size. My wife usually gets a US size 7 or EU size 37, and that's the size that she got here, and she really loves them. There is a corresponding men's version as well, which is a little bit wider. Looking inside the shoe, you do see that there is a little bit of a contrasting design, where inside we have a black knit with white stripes. Outside we have white knit with black stripes, so that's a little nice detail touch. And then of course the Hermes Paris logo right there where your heel goes. So in the US, as of March 2022, both the women's and the men's Eclair sneaker retails for $790. They do come in a number of different colors, blanc or white, noir or black, and there's a few other color choices which you can find at your local boutique or online as well. The white in particular seems to be pretty hard to find. Every time we've checked online, it's been sold out, at least on my wife's size, and the boutique that we typically go to doesn't never has had her size, but luckily enough we were able to order it from a different Hermes boutique. So that is the Eclair sneaker. I'll stop talking right now. I'll let my wife try these on so you can see how they look. And if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the section below. And we'll see you next time.